What secrets does Area 51 hide? Today, I will reveal one of the darkest and most unknown projects, Project Abigail. Area 51 is a highly classified military base located in southern Nevada, United States, in the desert region known as the Mojave Desert. The U.S. government has maintained a high level of secrecy around activities at this location, fueling speculation and conspiracy theories about what really happens there. For decades, Area 51 has been at the center of stories about UFOs, advanced military technology, and secret experiments. Some witnesses, including former base employees or people who lived or worked in nearby communities, claim to have seen strange lights in the sky, military vehicles, and unidentified flying objects. But what many do not know is the story of Project Abigail, a project that has remained in the shadows. Area 51 has always been a magnet for conspiracy theories and government secrets. Located in the Nevada desert, this military installation has been the subject of countless rumors about aliens, advanced technology, and secret experiments. But few know the true story behind Project Abigail. This is a story that has remained in the shadows, far from public knowledge. It is said that Project Abigail began after World War II in 1945, when scientists and military personnel were desperate for any advantage. But how far did they go in their quest? Project Abigail involved the daughter of a prominent scientist who conducted controversial experiments on humans. Professor Albert Western, a respected scientist at Area 51, sought to create a superior human being, capable of withstanding extreme conditions and overcoming the natural limitations of the human body. To achieve this, he used his own daughter, Abigail Western, as the subject of study. "There are no limits when it comes to national security," was the saying in the halls of Area 51. The scientists involved were willing to conduct any experiment, regardless of the consequences. People disappeared without a trace, only to become part of these secret experiments. There were reports of radiation tests, genetic alterations, and mind control, all with the goal of creating a being that could survive anything. The harrowing story of Abigail is perhaps the most disturbing. A brilliant and curious young woman, she was used as a guinea pig in an attempt to fuse human genes with DNA from various species to create a being with superhuman abilities. The conditions under which these experiments were conducted were extreme. Abigail was isolated from the outside world, subjected to various doses of radiation and unknown chemicals. Scientists monitored every change in her biology, hoping to discover the secret of accelerated evolution. This resulted in profound physical and mental changes, transforming her into something no longer entirely human. Over time, Abigail began to show signs of mutation. Her physical changes were devastating. Her skin became wrinkled and discolored, and her teeth deformed, likely due to cellular damage and premature aging caused by radiation. Her body and mind changed in unpredictable ways, developing superhuman strength and cognitive abilities that defied scientific understanding. But these changes also brought indescribable suffering. The impact on her brain function was equally alarming. Abigail lost the ability to reason, think coherently, and remember, acting only on instinct. It is said that Abigail's screams could be heard throughout the base, a constant reminder of the price of unbridled ambition. The project continued until, according to reports, Abigail became uncontrollable. Professor Western, faced with his daughter's physical and mental deterioration, decided to take his own life. Abigail was left in the Area 51 facility, where the military decided to abandon her, hoping she would starve to death. It is said that Abigail managed to escape her confinement, disappearing into the depths of Area 51. After her escape, she ventured into the vast and arid desert surrounding the base, where she began her life as a fugitive. Now free but in deteriorated physical and mental conditions, she became a solitary and enigmatic figure wandering the desert. Over time, numerous reports have emerged of sightings of a solitary figure resembling Abigail in the desert areas near Area 51. Some witnesses claim to have seen her wandering the hills and canyons, while others have reported hearing her howls in the dark of night. Project Abigail raises unsettling questions about how far we are willing to go in the name of progress and security. How many more projects like this could be hidden in the shadows, waiting to be discovered? The existence of these dark experiments forces us to reconsider our trust in institutions and question the ethics of scientific advancements. But what if Abigail is still alive, evolving in the shadows, beyond our comprehension? Imagine a being with abilities beyond human, a product of science and desperation. Could Abigail be watching us, waiting for the right moment to reveal her existence? So, the next time you hear about Area 51 and its secrets, remember that sometimes the truth can be more terrifying than any fiction. What other dark secrets could be hidden, waiting to be uncovered?